Oh, hey there, Neon Q.T. What are you doing in your bedroom? Well, I really wish I had a little sister. Aw. Well, instead of going through hundreds of LOL surprise balls just to look for your little sister, why don't we just choose the one that looks most like you and then repaint her? That sounds like a great idea. So, who are you going to pick? Ah, my bed. I chose Little Troublemaker. Okay, great choice. She does look kind of like you. Now, let's get this area ready for painting since we don't want to get any paint in your new bedroom. Alright, now the area is ready for painting, so let's bring in Little Troublemaker. Alright, so what paints are we going to be using to customize this little LOL surprise doll to become her little sister? Looks like we are going to be using pink, orange, and teal. And then, of course, some Mod Podge to seal all of that paint in. Alright, so I have 2 bottle caps here, and as you can see, in this bottle cap I squirted out some orange paint. And then for this one I'm going to do teal, just so I can change up the color of her diaper just a little bit, even though it is already teal. So now I'm going to dip my paintbrush in, and then just start painting the LOL Surprise Doll's hair. And I'm going to try to avoid her bangs, since that's the area that we want to do pink. And as you can see, this is probably going to take 2 or maybe even 3 coats of paint. Alright, so now that we have the first coat of orange paint done, and as you can see, her hair is looking kind of green right now. Now that we have the first coat of paint done, now we're going to start with her eyes. So I am going to take a toothpick and dip it into the cap, and then just very, very carefully color in her eyes. Alrighty, so there are her beautiful teal eyes. So now, you know what? I don't think we really need to do the diaper because it's pretty much the same color as her eyes. So now, all we have to do is her bangs, and then of course some extra coats on her hair, and then I think she'll be done. Alright, so what I did was I just took off the cap, and now I'm going to take a small paintbrush and I'm just going to start painting her bangs pink. P.U. What is it, Neon Q.T? Well, it's a good thing you don't have smell-o-vision because that paint smells stinky. Ew, it does. Maybe I need to get some new ones. Alright, so her bangs are looking pretty good. So since this is going to take a while to dry, I think I'm going to do a part 2, which will be the final reveal of the doll. And who knows, maybe I'll even add color changing paint. How cool would that be? So if you guys know of any type of color changing paint, I would love it if you would put it in the comment section below so I can find it, because I think that would be really awesome to have color changing hair. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free! And you'll never miss a video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!